So, unahin natin sa Mr. Intramurals in no particular order. Candidate number 14. You're still on the spot. Candidate number 15. Boy, Mister. You still have the chance. Candidate number 10. You're still in the
Isang blessed morning to all of you. Mula sa taas, mula sa baba, kundi na sa inyong mga pan, ang poging pinaugulingan ng bayan. Yan namin ay tiyang proudly representing Reyna Golden Lion. And I believe dedication is the most powerful weapon which we can use to face the world. Dahil ang kaunungan na hindi mananakaw ng sinuman, ito ang magiging gabay sa pagbabago at pagunlad ng ating bansa. And I